Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will describe the kbhit keyboard hit function. Keyboard hit function in C checks whether the keyboard is hit or not. This function deals with keyboard pressing. Keyboard hit function is present in conio.h console input output .h header file, that is related to console input output .h header file conio. It is not a standard library function. I have already opened a C program in code blocks. First, I want to write something. I want to write a loop. While one printf enter a key, that means this loop will continue forever. You can see. Now just want to write here a line break and then want to print this. You can see the loop is running continuously. Then if keyboard hit function, that means if a key is pressed from your keyboard, then the loop will be break. Just want to see it. The loop is running. I just want to press any of the key of my keyboard and press, and the loop has been terminated. When I enter a key, the keyboard will be there, then the loop will be break. I just want to find out the value, so I have to use gets function. And a character to store which key was pressed. Then print that character. You can see I have pressed D and D has been printed on the console. Again, while 1, that means the loop will run forever. Printf enter a key. It will be printed until if any key is pressed from your keyboard, and the pressed key and the pressed character will be stored in this variable C, that is character type. Data type is character, and then that will be print line break, and then the character will be printed on console, and then the loop will be break. I just want to press K. Here you can see K has been printed and the loop has been broken. So thank you everyone.